morning vlog. I am just getting ready to run down and get my car, or like my windows tinted on my car, because I feel like that's a good step. Some of you guys may know I did get a new car. If you don't know, I did, and I'm very excited about it. So I'm just doing little things to get it dialed, which it already is dialed, but tint is important for me at least. And maybe a couple other things, but we'll see. I feel like I'm being so nonchalant about it, but it's such an exciting thing and I'm so happy. So I wanted to take you guys with me because I'm running down there to get the windows done today, and it's raining like really hard. Well, it's not right now, but it has been all morning, and so it's very cozy and I'm excited for a change in weather. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that, and I got my little Starbies. I've been on the strawberry refresher kick lately since I tried it. Now I get it pretty often. But my order is a grande strawberry refresher in a venti cup with extra water. So it's a watered down version of the drink. So it's less sugar and less caffeine. So works for me because otherwise I'm not able to handle that much caffeine and sugar. So anyways, I'm gonna take you guys down there and I'll show you the shop and stuff and maybe some other things. I don't know if there's any other fun cars that are there I can show you. I'm just excited to be vlogging and taking you guys places again. It's really fun. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I really would hope if you had ideas of what you want to see, or you like something or you don't like something, let me know in the comments, because it helps me to give you guys the content that you're looking for. But I am having fun making these videos for you guys. It is something that comes pretty easily for me. I love being creative in that sense. I'm gonna run down there and I'll take you guys along. But yeah, as far as the videos go, let me know what you guys like and what you don't like. Feedback is important. So anyways, I will see you guys there. Hi. So there wasn't a whole lot to see at the shop today, but I think tomorrow when I pick the car up, you guys will be able to see a little bit more. We're getting sushi right now, so it's really cozy because it's been a rainy day today. So I'm excited to get a spicy tuna hand roll. This place is so good, so I'm really excited. I don't know if you guys can hear me as well, but just in case. I'll show you guys what we get.
This lady's for
real. You're crazy.
Whatever I want in America, and we're gonna rate the food here. And had the spicy tuna rolls yet, but this is gonna be my first rate of the spicy tuna rolls here.
I'm just making these chocolate chip cookies. They're gluten-free, Bob's Mill. They're so good. So it's just a packaged one. It's super easy. These are just the ingredients that you need to add. Just gonna put these together and toss them in the oven. Super cute and easy. guys, so I just picked up my car. It's been a couple days. They ended up keeping my car a little bit longer because I ended up doing a couple other things to it, which aren't done yet, but I'm gonna bring it back next week and have everything finished up. But the tint looks really good, so I'm really happy with how that turned out. I did 5% all the way around and then 40 on the windshield, so it looks really good. I just pulled into Bass Pro because I'm gonna go in and look around rainy day activities. I probably shouldn't be going in there because I'm gonna find something I want that I don't need, but I'm gonna go in there anyway and just see what there is to look at because I haven't been here in a minute. And then I think we'll see what I end up doing for the rest of the day, but I'm gonna try to make banana bread. I have some bananas that are at the end of their freshness, so I'm gonna make banana bread, I think. Like I said, rainy day activities. But anyways, I'm gonna run into Bass Pro, so if you guys want to come with me, keep watching. And then this thing is actually really cool because it has a red setting, so you can have it be red. So this would be really nice. I'm gonna get these 3 and then keep looking around. And then I'm also going to get my fishing license remade because I lost it. So I'm gonna also get that done. Hi vlog! So today's Saturday and it was just raining the last few days, as you guys know. I mentioned that a few times. I am on here because I am gonna do a couple of things to my car right now. I had ordered little like grab handles for my car, like, I don't know, they're just like the paracord ones, or like cord type, so that I can just put those on. They have like the bolts already there, so I can just take them off and put them on, the handles. So I'm gonna do that right now, and then I think add oil to the car. I'm changing the setting. Oh, hold on a second. Seatbelt warning. Normal. I was driving it in sport for a second. We're gonna add oil and maybe check some other things, but I don't know what else. I am going to put the handles on right now, and then I did get a new license plate frame and I got new screws for that, so hopefully those fit because the ones that it came with don't fit in the holes. I just made coffee. I ordered these on Amazon. If you guys want to see like my Amazon favorites, and I have an Amazon storefront that you guys can check out, which is right here. And I also have the link down in the description, so you guys can check out all the different categories that I have for Amazon. There's like archery, golf, kitchen stuff, car stuff, home. There's like a bunch of different categories, so if you guys want to see those, check them out because I have all my stuff listed that I use and that I recommend for you guys, because we only like quality things. Quality things that are gonna last and that are reasonably priced. And if they're not reasonably priced, there's probably a good reason for it. Because you pay for what you get sometimes. Anyways, I'm going to hop out and start putting the handles on right now. But it's pretty cool actually. I'm excited about the Amazon storefront situation because I just got the invitation to join to do that. So it's pretty cool. But anyways, I'm gonna start putting that on, so I will show you the process. It's pretty easy, but it's just fun to show you guys regardless. And then probably gonna take this thing on a little bit of a trail. We kind of experimented last night. I took it out in the mud after the rain, and that was pretty fun. So I'll show you guys what the car looks like right now. But I think I'm gonna go back again today because that was a good time. So obviously I'll take you guys along for that as well. Off-roading is always fun, so yeah. Just a little update. Okay guys, I got the first one done on the driver's side, and I'm starting on the second one in the rear on the driver's side. I think they're turning out really cool. I know it's kind of a simple thing, but it makes a huge difference and I'm excited. So yeah, it's pretty easy. I have an 8mm, comment what this is called. And I'm just working away over here, so yeah, it's turning out really good. Also doing an oil change at the same time, so that's pretty cool. Getting it done, first oil change from factory. So honestly guys, it's warm today. Should I try and take the panels off of the roof? I'm thinking about it. I'm debating. I think the rain is done, so I don't see why not. Stay tuned. Once I get this screw out, let's go take a peek at the oil change. Come with me.
Should be getting an oil change at the corrected mileage interval that they recommend for the 3 that goes into the Ford Explorer ST. However,
Corn on the cob.
I'm being extra because she just got it and the motor's barely breaking in, barely has 1,000 miles on it, and I'm not trying to. Now we have the new O-ring gaskets on the offshore oil filter, and now we have the
Corn on the cob.
yeah, corn on the cob oil filter right here.
so fun being out here. I love, whoa, the camera's going crazy. Yeah, it's so fun being out here, and it's very beautiful and quiet. I know there's a lot of people out here today, but it is Saturday and it's a beautiful day, so I feel like it makes sense everybody wants to be out here too. But yeah, it's just really fun because there's like all this going on in the background, and then like the new truck is like such a blessing. Oh.